Good morning, QSI Benin Lions. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of May. So we are continuing with our comic book contest, and below me are 3 comic books presented by 3 5-year-olds, Eddie, Lachlan, as well as Sylvie. Please take the opportunity to look over these comics, just like you did yesterday's, and understand and know that you'll find the comics themselves at the bottom of the site home, where all the comic PDF are in PDF form right at the bottom of this page. So please take a chance to look at them. By the end of the week, we're going to be voting on which is the best comic. Parents, you will be receiving special instructions on how you can nominate one of your children or any of your children for a Success Orientation Award. The success orientations are responsibility, trustworthiness, kindness and politeness, concern for others, independent endeavor, group interaction, as well as aesthetic appreciation. And what we have is an opportunity for you, since you've been working with your children every day, opportunity for you to nominate your children in one of these categories. Today, Tuesday, I'm sending you a rubric to kind of help you understand what you're looking for relative to what you see in your children's behaviors at home. And know that what we need you to do is simply send your nomination to your child's homeroom teacher, and they will forward it to the school, and we will collectively review those nominations. Thank you very much.